What's up, everybody? Josh Wilson at Off-Leash Canine Training. We have our newest board and train, 8-month-old Ripley, German Shepherd. Ripley is a service dog, or going to be a service dog for her owner. She's an 8-month-old Shepherd. She's wide open, jumps on everybody, nips at everybody. A little bit of confidence issues, loud noises, things like that. So she's got a lot of work to do to get where the owner wants her to be. Step one, here with us, get the obedience amazing, so she can get out and about with her owner. She can be confident the dog's going to do what she needs to do. Right now, that's not where we're at. Let me show you what she's got currently. Ripley, come, come, come. Ripley, come, come. Ripley, come. Good. Sit. Ripley, sit. Ripley, come, come. Sit, sit, sit. Ripley, sit. Ripley, come, sit. Good. Good girl. Good girl. Sit, good girl. Sit, good girl. Ripley, sit. 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 Ripley, come. 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 Come on, Ripley. Come on. Good girl. Come here. Ripley, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Ripley, sit. Sit. Ripley, come. Come. Off. 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 Ripley, come. Come. Sit. Sit. Ripley, let's try this. Down. Ripley, down. Ripley, down. Down. Ripley, you heel. Ripley, come on. Heel. 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 Come on, heel. Ripley, come. Come. Sit. Sit. She got a long way to go. We'll show you some progress in 2 weeks. She'll be great. Thanks.
is Sherry. This is 8-month-old Ripley, and we just got done with our 2-week board and train, and she is fantastic. I mean, I dropped her off. She knew a little sits, plots, but I get her today, and I feel confident that I can let her off the leash and run around the store and stuff like that, and know that when I tell her to come, she'll come. So thank you guys so much. She's fantastic, and I definitely recommend Off-Leash Canine Training.
Hey guys, Josh Wilson with Off-Leash Canine Training, and I hope you enjoyed another amazing dog put out by my team. Across the country, we don't care about the breed, the size, the age, or the behavioral issue. We're going to make them awesome for you. If you're interested in seeing more videos like the one you just saw, click the image here on the screen. Also, I'd encourage you to check us out on Instagram and Facebook. And before you leave our channel, make sure you subscribe. So every time a new video comes up of another outstanding dog doing some crazy, amazing things, you're going to get notified in your email address. And for more information on other locations we have around the country, check us out at joshwilson.dog. Appreciate you so much for watching our channel. See you soon.